Welcome to our guide on withdrawing money from the Aviator app in 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Understanding the withdrawal process is essential to ensure your funds are transferred safely and efficiently. Step 1. First, log into your Aviator app account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the withdraw section within the app, usually found in the main menu. Step 3. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or others. Step 4. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it meets the minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 5. Review and confirm your withdrawal details for accuracy. Step 6. If required, provide identification documents to ensure secure processing. Step 7. Review the estimated withdrawal time so you know when to expect your funds. And that's it. Remember these tips for a successful money withdrawal from your Aviator app. Thank you for watching.